Yo, what up YouTube EX? This is your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Using Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black, to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another video for you guys. So this is a video for C-Tech right here. This is basically what I was explaining about the ROG Ally. It's not the ROG Ally that has the problem, it's just all AMD processors, not even a processor, it's more the APU and the GPU, and I have the issue with the any AMD stuff. So basically when I'm using programs like Arduino, I can't use it because you have to turn on a certain settings on AMD to try to even get the program to even work. Also with Novation, which that's basically for my launch pad. So when I'm using that to make beats, or if I want to use that to actually use that for like a Stream Deck, Stream Deck to control like different things that I have, like for the buttons, I can actually use that to control it and just set things up. I can't use certain programs on AMD. Like I said, it just has a lot of problems. So what I'm gonna do is, for example, the Elgato 4K-X, I have problems with the Elgato 4K-X when it comes towards with the audio, which I'm gonna have a video for that in a different video. Sorry about that. I'm gonna have a different video for that at a different time, so sorry about that. Basically what's happened with the 4K-X is that the audio basically sounds robotic when you put audio onto the things, like if you're using OBS like I'm using right now to record this screen. So basically what happens is, if I put desktop audio on top of it and I got the software that's in OBS, basically what happens is the audio that I get is low. It sounds monoed. Even when I change the settings inside 4K utilities, it's like a mono instead of a stereo, and it's very low. I've even went inside the audio sounds to try to mess with that, to try to get that sound to come up. For just some weird reason, it just sounds robotic and it's not loud, and it sounds like that it's an echo on towards it. When I use the same capture card on an NVIDIA computer, I don't have that problems. Anytime I bring it towards my ROG Ally, or I bring it to an AMD based computer that has the AMD GPU, I have the problems. That's the reason why I just sold my GPU, my AMD GPU, because I've been having problems and I no longer want to use AMD. I've been having problems with this for some while. I already reached out to different platforms about the situation, and basically I'm being told all the same. It's just a lot of things is not compatible with AMD. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring in face cam so you can actually see what one of the issues that I'm talking about. And like I said, it's AMD, but it's not an ROG problem. So let's open up the face cam, and I'm having issues with this again. So give me 1 second. I might have to disable my camera. Give me a second. It's because OBS is actually using it, and it shouldn't be a problem. Let's close this out. Refreshing. It shouldn't even be picking it up because I'm not even using the camera right now with OBS. OBS is using it. I don't even know why it's picking it up. Let's just go here real quick. So we're going to just go to my camera on OBS. Camera, deactivate, activate. Yeah, see, that's one of the problems I'm having right now with this. Let's go to the camera, face cam, deactivate, activate. So yeah, that's the problems I'm having. So let me just go back towards the camera real quick. Desktop. Where is it? PC. Okay, here we go. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unplug my camera and plug it back in. I've never had problems with this with NVIDIA. It's basically AMD I'm having all these problems with. As you can see right there, it says being used by a different software. I don't have these problems with NVIDIA GPUs. I just plug it in and I'm able to use it. You can see other people that basically do the exact same thing. They're using OBS to record, and they have the Facecam app open and there's no problem. It's just AMD has this complete problem. This is what I basically want you guys to see. So let me unplug this camera really quick. Okay, sorry about that. I had to unplug the camera and plug it back in. So let's open up Facecam one more time. Okay, there we go. See, and I shouldn't have to do this. Only does this with AMD. I've never had this issue on my GPU. I'm sorry, my GPU with NVIDIA GPUs, NVIDIA based on stuff. It's just basically AMD I have this whole issue with. Sorry it's late. It's like 12:41 and I'm tired as hell. So yeah, as you can see on the desktop right here. So if I go right here, you see I'm using 1080p, the Elgato Facecam MK2, 1080p YU-Y2 unsuppressed. So here's the problem. I cannot use this. And I can't use any of these softwares, any of the problems, any of the AI stuff because Elgato don't work with AMD. I need NVIDIA stuff to actually use this. So basically, I can't blur out my background. I can't do green screen on this like how I want to. I can't use full AI. I can't put movable backgrounds on here when I do my streams. So basically what I have to do is if I want to do this, I have to use OBS, go into the settings, remove the background, and it's a pain. And I can't use my you can probably hear the TV running in the background, but I can't use the software to basically mute out my freaking audio. So I can compress it or knock off background noise while I'm talking. Probably saying, well, you can do it in OBS. Yeah, you can do it in OBS, but the problem is, like I mentioned, I have problems with the audio streaming from my desktop to the ROG Ally or anything that's AMD. So basically, if I want to get audio to come from for my gameplays and stuff like that, it's going to sound robotic, and it doesn't sound right. And it's only happening on AMD softwares. It's not happening on any of my GPUs. My NVIDIA GPUs is not happening on none of that. It's just AMD only. My ROG Ally, my other computer, I have my AMD GPU on it that I just sold. That had issues, so it's AMD only. I have the problems with AMD, as you can see on the screen. I can't do it because says GPU do not support effects. NVIDIA RTX 2060 graphic cards or better is required. So that's no AMD. So that's the issue that I was telling you guys to have. I can't use any of the effects. I can't use AR. I don't even use this anyway. I can't do blur. I can't remove the backgrounds. I can't put any effects on here. Only thing I can do is flip it and stuff like that. And just basically this. So that's the issue that I'm having with this. All right, I'm gonna catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. One, I'm out. Peace.